First things first, I appreciate your support. I am back. So this is a Samsung washing machine, never been touched since installation. Look, you see this paper here, this sticker here. It helps to hold the filter cover intact during transportation. It should be off, so the client could not access the drain filter. Hey, it should be out after installation. Remove it because you have to regularly open the drain filter to see if there is anything stuck in there that might obstruct the pump from draining water as it should. Unfortunately, this machine had swollen some clots, so the drum was not moving. The drum was moving, yes, but it was very rigid. The drum should be smooth. So before opening the machine, I had to drain water manually. The water wasn't coming out as it should anyway. It was giving an SC or a 5C error code. So the correct way to drain water from your washer is open the filter cover, then this small pipe here, slowly drain water. Once that is done, open the filter. Unfortunately, some machines don't have that small emergency pipe for draining water. Quite unfortunate. I don't know why they don't put that. So it becomes hard if your laundry area is squeezed. It's hard to drain the water because you'll mess up the place. So after that, look what I found. Crazy, right? So always remove that sticker on the filter cover to access the drain filter. Hey, you have a washing machine, go clean the filter now.